Yo, so uh, I I've been doing Instagram for the last well, I've really been doing it for maybe like 8 years, pretty consistently, 9 years, something like that. Mm. And it's now just starting to blow up um, more, and I'm getting a lot of followers and stuff, and that's cool. Um, but one thing I noticed is women paying attention to me all of a sudden. It almost feels just weird. Like it's not even. It's just all of a sudden. It's weird, bro. Like um, obviously, like I I've wanted that for like my whole life. Not my whole life, but a decent amount of my life, and now it's here. It's like it almost feels like you want them to like you for you instead of for the fame or the attention or even just the humor. I don't know. It's just weird. I don't know why it's like that, to be honest. But I think it's the attention. Honestly, a big part of it is just they want the attention. Some of them actually don't want the attention. They just want to talk or whatever. Maybe I don't know. But it's just weird because it's like all of a sudden, like nothing. No women message me for like months and months and months, and then all of a sudden, boom, like it just happened like that. So obviously life is not all about women. It's far from that, and I'm realizing that. But like it was like something I wanted so much, and then I got it, and I was like, whoa, this is nothing. Like this is just like everything else, empty. Like obviously, like it's it's a cool feeling to get the woman being like having her attention or whatever. But it's fleeting. It's just like it's just I'm trying not to get attached. I'm practicing like not being attached and just being like, oh, whatever, I'll message her and then see what happens or whatever, not really be like, oh, I need to like marry her or whatever, like, you know but it's just interesting. Like I said, this is the most female attention I've ever gotten, and it maybe I'll get used to it, but it just doesn't seem. I just question a lot of it, like why is this happening? Like, you know, um, and like I said, it's all I mean, a big part of what I wanted, because let's be honest, man, like having a wife would be um, a good thing for a lot of us, or we think it would be a good thing, but yeah, it just like I said, it's just very like fleeting. Like it's just a human interaction. It's not like, oh, this like a woman's paying attention to me. Like women are messaging me and following me. You know, like it's nothing more than just a dopamine hit. Little ego boost when you know, like, and then they leave. Most of the time. So it's just like interesting. But I wanted to talk about that because if you're like chasing that, it's like you're probably gonna have to experience it to like for you to like realize that it doesn't satisfy like I did. But hopefully you can maybe learn from me and get ahead of me with that. So, anyways, God bless you.